Today we are checking out the RockJam RJ361, a compact 61-key portable keyboard bundle that's tailor-made for beginners. It comes with everything you need: sheet music stand, power adapter, piano note stickers, and exclusive Simply Piano app content, so you can dive straight into playing without hunting down extra gear. Key features and specifications. This little powerhouse packs 61 full-size keys, 200 instrument voices, and 200 accompaniment rhythms, plus 10 demo songs to kickstart your creativity. You've got MP3 playback via USB or aux to jam along with your favorite tracks, a 46-note record playback function for capturing ideas, and 2 built-in learning modes that sync with the Simply Piano app on iOS and Android. There's also a headphone output for silent practice, and the whole thing measures just 31.5 x 11.0 x 3.1 and weighs around 6.25 pounds, perfect for tucking under your arm and taking anywhere. Price. Right now, the full RJ361 bundle is running about $79.99 on an unbeatable deal for a complete beginner's kit that covers all the basics abunda. Pros and cons. On the plus side, RockJam nails the all-in-one convenience. You get keynote stickers, app lessons, and essential accessories in one box. The learning modes and recording function really help keep you motivated. On the downside, the build is mostly lightweight plastic, keys can feel a bit springy, and the onboard speakers lack punch at higher volumes. Customer review summary. With an average of 3.7 out of 5 stars from reviewers, users praise the RJ361 for its value and ease of setup, especially for kids and absolute beginners. A few mention minor quality control hiccups, like uneven keys or loose stands, but most agree it's a terrific starter instrument for under $80. Should you buy it or not? If you are looking for an affordable, hassle-free way to get started on the keyboard, the RockJam RJ361 is a solid choice. However, if you crave sturdier construction, weighted keys, or louder built-in speakers, you may want to step up to a higher-end model later on. For kicking off your musical journey without breaking the bank, though, this bundle really hits the right notes.